Hello guys, today in this session we will learn how to use jQuery in HTML and CSS. jQuery is a lightweight JavaScript library that simplifies HTML document traversal, event handling and animations. So first step, we have to create a HTML file, index.html, and open this file and simply open this code. Now give the title jQuery example and include this script from code.jquery.com. So now head towards our body section. Create a CSS file naming CSS style.css. So create a file, styles.css, and now write a code to style your elements. We have to link this file into our HTML file. So link we have linked our CSS file into HTML document. Now we have to write jQuery code. So now create a separate file, script.js, enter. Now write the code. We have written this code because it ensures that the script runs only after the HTML document is fully loaded, and this code we have written because it attaches a link a click event to the button. So now we have created the script.js. Now we have to link this external JavaScript file into HTML file. So head towards the body section. So we have successfully linked the JavaScript file. So we have created a project which uses jQuery in HTML and CSS. Now it's time to check. So simply save the files, all the files, and now go to live server and check. So you can see, welcome to jQuery example, click me. So you can see you click the button. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more related videos.